Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing video of Snibe MAGLUMI CEA CLIA. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. Over here we can see the product name MAGLUMI CEA CLIA. Here CEA stands for Carcinoembryonic Antigen test. Chemiluminescence immunoassay. It is a tumor marker where the cancer is spreading. We can analyze using this test kit. We are going for see the contents. Here we can see the contents of this kit: 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 23.5 ml buffer, 13.5 ml ABI label, 5 ml dilute, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. Over here we can see the reference number of this kit 130201032M. Here we can see lot number and expiry date. This is C certificate IVD product. Over here we can see the pictorial representation reference, one instruction manual inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can do 100 tests using this test kit. Over here we can see the manufacturing details of this product. This product is come from China. Here we can see the details. The origin of the product is China. This is the overall front view of this product. I am going to show the other sides. In this side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. In the back side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. On this side we can see the product name MAGLUMI CEA Carcinoembryonic Antigen. Here you can see the reference number 130201032M, then lot number, then expiry date. This is overall representation of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unboxing, the first product is instruction manual. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics, then product name MAGLUMI CEA CLIA Carcinoembryonic Antigen Chemiluminescence immunoassay method, C certificate IVD product. The reference number of this kit is 130201032M, 100 tests per kit. Over here we can see the indent use, summary, test principle, reagents, warnings and precautions, reagent link. These are the stuff inside this instruction manual. I am going to keep this aside. On the next one is a MAGLUMI reagent seal, total of 3 nurses. Here we can see the kit name CEA. The next one is QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics. And the next one is control stickers, total of 8 nurses. The first 4 one is for control 1 CEA control 1, and the second 4 one is CEA control 2. Over here we can see CEA control 1 4 nurses, CEA control 2 4 nurses, total of 8 nurses. The next one is control solutions. It is packed in a cover. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking we can see clearly the white color cap is control 1 and the red color cap is control 2. I am taking this one out. MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml. Here you can see clearly MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml. CEA CLIA control 1. And next one is MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml CEA control 2. This is a red color cap. So the control 1 is white color and the control 2 is red color. And the final one is MAGLUMI CEA kit. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 23.5 ml buffer, 13.5 ml AB label, 5 ml dilute. This is a back view. This kit contains solutions. Here we can see clearly. So I am going for summary. Today we can see about Snibe Diagnostics, MAGLUMI CEA CLIA, Carcinoembryonic Antigen, chemiluminescence immunoassay method. This kit contains one instruction manual, a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics, a reagent seal, 3 nurses, a control stickers, control 1 for 4 and control 2 for 4, total of 8 nurses stickers, a control solutions, both are volume of 1 ml. The white color cap is control 1 and red color cap is control 2. And the reagent kit, this kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 23.5 ml buffer, 13.5 ml AB label, 5 ml dilute. Thank you.